So hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how you can style the scroll bars in a browser. So sometimes when you create a website for matching the theme, we actually want to style the scroll bars. How can we do that? We'll see in this video. So let's do that. First of all, let me just remove this link of the external CSS file which I have already created because I'm gonna code from the scratch. The code is already there, but we'll not be explaining that. We'll be styling a different CSS file. So let me just create style2.css and link that here. If I link this CSS file, so if I go to the Chrome now, the styling should be gone. Yeah, you can see that there is no styling and it is back to normal. So we'll be styling from the scratch. Let's do that in here. Let me just close this file. Yeah, first of all, I'll be creating styling for body. In body, I'll be giving a padding first. So padding I'll be giving 5%, and I'll be giving font family to be Verdana. So this will be good for this video. And I can also give some background color. I can give a background color of gray or a black one. I can decide this one to be the color. And if I save this, you can see that the background is changed. Let me just add a color white as well to give the like styling to all the content in this page. Also, I'll be styling the paragraph because I want the paragraph to be a little bit smaller. So I'll be giving a font size of 14 pixel, and I'll be giving a text align justify. What this will do is, let me just tell you. Right now you can see that the paragraph lines are unequal. If I add text align justify, so it will make all the lines equally with the equal width. So I can see that. Let me just save it. If I go there, you can see that it is equal. It is having a equal width. I can also give line height or something, but I'll not be focusing on that. We are focused, or we are more focused on the scroll bars actually. So let's style this scroll bar. For that, we actually need some pseudo elements which are Webkit scroll bar. You can see that this Webkit scroll bar is the actual, you can say, scroll bar or the background of the scroll bar, the container of the scroll bar, in which we can specify the width actually. So I can specify the width of 20 pixel, and after that we have Webkit track. Webkit scroll, you can see that it will suggest you if you are in Visual Studio. Webkit scroll bar track is the container for this scroll bar. Right now it will not be visible because we have changed it, so let's just style it first. So I'll be giving a background color of gray or a little bit darker gray. This one will be good, I think. And I can also give a border radius of 20 pixel. You can see that the scroll bar is actually changed, or the track is actually changed with a background of gray. Now we can write Webkit scroll bar thumb because that is the actual scroll bar which we'll be adding a style. You can add any styling or any background color you want. I'll be adding a linear gradient. So to give it a linear gradient background, I'll be giving it 360-degree, and I can add a yellow color, for example, yellow or a little bit darker yellow. and I can add orange red here. This one will be, I think, good. And I can also add border radius to this one also. Border radius to be 20 pixel. Let me just save it and see the effect. You can see that the scroll is changed actually. So I can also add a hover on this. So we get the idea that we are on the scroll actually. We can copy the same code which is there or same selector and just change the effect which you want. So I'll be changing the background color only by adding a hover pseudo class. In here I can make it red or a little bit darker red. So we get the idea that we are on the scroll actually. If I check it, you can see that when I'm hovering over that, it is becoming red. So you can change any color, or if you want to give it a different linear background color, so you can do that as well. So just I added red color that we can show the user that we are on the scroll. So this is actually how you can style the scroll bars by using WebKit. So this is it, what I wanted to tell you in this video. In the next video, we'll be talking about on a different and amazing topic. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.